Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to trim video for Instagram story. Let's get started. You can trim a video whether it's saved in your gallery or recorded directly on Instagram. If you recorded it on Instagram, tap the three dots in the top right corner and save it first. Now, in your Instagram, tap Reel at the bottom. Select your gallery, pick your video, and tap Next. At the bottom, you'll see a trimming control. Drag the slider to set the start and end point. You can also tap Edit Video for more precise cuts. Once you're happy, tap the download icon to save the trimmed video. Now go back, swipe over to Story, choose the trimmed clip from your gallery, and you're ready to post. You can also add text, stickers, or effects before sharing. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.